Michiamo, Mrs. Ajajuma Wajima Hinwa, na Mama One Official Pastor. Greetings, welcome to Healthy with Ajo. Once again, Happy New Year to you guys. Alright, so today we are going to learn how to make oil infused Prekese. For those of you who haven't watched my last video on Prekese tea and some healthy benefits, I'm going to leave it here so that you can go back and watch it. Alright guys, let's get started. So we're going to make sure that our fruit is clean, and clean means clean and dry. I'm using a sterilized jar here, an extra virgin olive oil, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it over a heat. As you can see, Prekese has two sides. Where the fruit is, that is the softer part, and where the seed is, that is the pod. So placing it over fire allows the oils to come out, and this is usually done when we are cooking with it, especially making soup with it. We put it over fire so that the aroma, the oil, the flavor, the sense, the essence oil will come out. So doing that also by drying it up, because I cleaned it with water, and I need to make it dry before putting it into oil to prevent any fermentation. So as you can see, it was very sticky. Now I'm going ahead to cut off the fruity part, the softer part, and that is very soft, so you could see that I was able to cut across it. Once I'm done, I go ahead and cut it into pieces. So actually I started using the knife, but I got to know that with a knife it was impossible. So then I optioned out for a Caesar that was very, very easy. And everything that I'm using has been sterilized to prevent any contamination, any cross contamination, because this is something that I love doing, and so I want to get 100% effective product, and so I take the time to sterilize all my instruments, everything that I'm using, so that the outcome of my oil or tincture or whatever that I'm making becomes great. So I'm cutting it down into pieces so that it can infuse into the oil very well. Okay, all right. Once you get the fruit into the jar, we go back to the pod. That is where the seeds are. It is the hardest part, and you know, with fruits, the seeds are found in pods and they are being protected. So I go ahead and chop it down into pieces. It's not easy. Others, I know that others do not add this part because they find it to be not useful, but I prefer to use everything, and you know, I don't want to throw anything away, so I include the seeds too. I want to get the nutrients. I'm not going to waste anything. I'm placing everything into the jar, and as you can see, I know lots of you haven't seen Prekese seeds before, but this is a close-up on how the seeds look like. Okay, they are shiny, dark, very, very hard. It's just like the palm kernel, or you know, the shell around it. It's very hard. This is also hard. You can't break through, like you can't crack it down. So I'm going ahead to fill it with my olive oil, my extra virgin olive oil. Other people prefer to weigh it down, and I found it to be not to be useful. Like, everybody has his or her way of making it, but what I do is I make sure that the oil covers what the dry ingredient by 1 to 2 inches or even 5 centimeters. That will be okay. I close it and I shake it thoroughly. So now this stage is done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to label it. Don't forget to shake, 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 shake. If you don't shake it, you're not getting anything from it. It's going to sit there and sit there. So what I did is I placed it in a warm but dark place. I shaked it every day, and after 3 weeks I was good to go. This is the first bottle that I made, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate the Prekese from the oil, and that is all. You can place it in a crock pot, that is the rice cooker, and cook it for 24 to 48 hours if you want the fast method. And yes, it is going to destroy some nutrients in it, but hey, you get what you want. But I decided to go for the long, you get me, I wanted to do it the traditional way, and I had it. So once it's done, you can strain everything properly, but hey, if there are particles, there is nothing wrong with it. The better. I prefer having it this way than pure strained. So here is it, and thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this tutorial, and let me know if there is anything you want me to do. Thanks for watching, and Madasi.